Today we're going to talk about what could be the best new entry-level turntable, and that's this Audio-Technica LP70X. So I'm going to be telling you why this turntable is extremely hard to beat, how it's upgradable, the new speakers they came out with to match, and a new pair of headphones as well. But most importantly, why this is such a big step forward for entry-level turntables. You join me?
Did you say, do you want to join me?
You may have to yeah. What do you guys think of that? All right, so this is a giant step forward for entry-level turntables, not only because it's just something new, but it's a completely redesigned model that a lot of companies aren't getting out in this price range. But to tell me everything about it, because I honestly don't know everything, is John from Audio-Technica. That's my professional intro so that you feel special.
That's awesome.
All right?
Appreciate it.
So if you guys haven't met, it's my buddy John. We're at Audio-Technica right now, and I'm actually super excited about this product in particular. And not because I'm at the entry-level spot in my hi-fi journey, I'm not, but for a lot of people, this is going to make a huge difference, not only for looks and sound quality, but to take care of your records too, because a lot of what you guys are buying out there as your first turntable is probably killing your records.
That was good. You want to talk about it?
Yeah, what's new?
So we have a couple different models, the LP70X and the LP70X BT. They come in 3 color variations. We have a black and silver, a black and bronze, which is what you're looking at now, and we have an Audio-Technica exclusive white version.
Oh, we should have brought that down. You should go get that.
I don't know where it's at.
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Is it in?
It's on the yeah.
I'll go grab it.
So while he's going to get the white one, I want to tell you what one of the most important features of this. So up until now, entry-level turntables came pre-stocked with only one option of stylus, which gives you no upgrade room once you buy the turntable. You're stuck with that entry-level conical cartridge. But that's where this is different. This comes with, does it zoom on the product? No, it's still looking at me. This comes with a head shell built into the tone arm, but you can change and upgrade the stylus, which is a giant step forward for any entry-level turntable, because typically when you buy an entry-level turntable, you're never upgrading that stylus, but with this one, you can choose a wide variety of styluses to give you an upgrade without having to change your turntable, which is awesome. So there's the black one, and there's the white one. I actually like the white one a lot.
The white one's really nice.
I've always been a fan of the bronze and black, which when I saw this, I didn't know they made it in bronze, but then I saw the white one and I'm like, I don't know, man. I feel like this is the guy version and that's the girl version.
I like the girl version.
I do too. Maybe this is the old school look and then the white one is more of the, I don't know, home interior designer look. There's a shot of the silver. All right, so this is a fully automatic turntable. That means you can just hit start and it'll play and it'll come back at the end. You can do 33s and 45s, and this model, I have the Bluetooth model, has a little Bluetooth button on it so that you can use it with Bluetooth headphones, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Are those speakers Bluetooth too? And speakers. So let me show you them closer because you probably can't see them when I'm holding them. So here we have the white LP70X Bluetooth. You got the Bluetooth button over there, so you can turn Bluetooth on for headphones like I was saying, or Bluetooth speakers. And then on this side, you have the speed adjustment, so you can do 33s and 45s. It does not do 78s. You know, if you're getting this turntable, you're probably not playing 78s. And then you have a stop and a start function. So if you want to play your record, just hit start. If you want to stop it, you hit stop. It does come with this cloth slip mat that says Audio-Technica, which is perfect for this kind of table. The most important thing they did to this table is the addition of the interchangeable stylus, which I'm gonna let John tell you about.
The biggest addition to this particular turntable is the integration of the VM95 series cartridge directly into the head shell. Comes with a VM95C, and its stylus swap is as easy as pulling one out. You can leave the cover onto it. Currently, I have a VM95ML stylus. This will snap directly onto the bottom of the stylus, follow the groove, and you are good to go.
It's that easy. That's all you have to do. Swap the stylus out. You can do it yourself. But like, you might be asking yourself, well, what difference is that going to make for me? I'm also going to let John explain that. You bring this over to cheat, make it easier?
Of course.
Yes. Well,
So
this is an awesome display piece.
what you're looking at is our new stylus display. Each one of these grooves right here simulates the groove of a record, so you can actually see the stylus profile and how it sits and how it makes contact. So what we were looking at on the LP70 was it comes with a conical stylus. So it's gonna make decent groove contact, only a couple points of contact on the side walls of the vinyl, and then when you move up into the elliptical stylus, you're actually gonna get a better performance, more groove contact, more dynamics. Then you start getting into some of the higher end stylus profiles with the Microline, the Shibata. The Microline stylus is personally one of my favorites, and you can actually see there's a pretty big ridge on the end of the stylus, and that will actually give you great sound, great dynamics, and it'll fit very closely to the exact size of the groove.
That's the one you put on there.
Correct.
Which is also my favorite, probably the 95 series.
Yes.
So now I'm going to plug this in, show you it in action, how the start stop works, so you can see what, you know, one of the, besides that stylus being interchangeable, which is like a new feature that you won't find on other entry-level turntables, the automatic function is one of the real reasons that I love this table. All right, so to show you how the fully automatic function works, I'm going to go over here, hit start, and it's gonna go. Just hit that start button. And you're playing. Sits down nice and soft. And again, so you see the color, it's blue because that's the conical stylus. All the different ones come in different colors. So at the end of the record, the tone arm will, wow, that was fast. And it moves back. I've never seen one lift up that fast. They usually take like a couple seconds. That was really cool. You can see it comes to a resting spot right there. All right, so behind the turntable, you can actually see the Bluetooth speakers that they make to match it. And no, it's not the giant white Elysian 4s that are on the floor. It's actually these black Bluetooth speakers up here. So on the side of the speakers, you have the volume control and the power button. And on the back, you have RCA inputs, you have your power supply, and then you have your output, which is a speaker wire out that goes to the other speaker. So they do have to be connected to play them, but they match the turntable really well, and putting these two together will create the perfect desktop entry-level system. But maybe you don't want speakers, you only listen to headphones because your roommates don't want to hear your trash music like mine. I mean, you'd probably want to listen to my trash music.
Yes.
So Audio-Technica came out with these ATH-S300 Bluetooth headphones, which will perfectly match that turntable, and you can just connect with the simple press of that Bluetooth button. Are these only in black, John?
No, so they come in a tan color as well.
So there's something really helpful. Beige, and I hope you guys can see this, but the one problem I have when trying to put on headphones is, wait, do you have the same problem? I never know which side is right and left. But look, it's right there inside the padding. So you'll know exactly what ear to put it on. So on the left cup, you have your volume control, your power button. And if you want to do these wired, you also have that option with a 3.5 millimeter jack. And then on the other cup, you have a noise canceling button. Oh, these are noise canceling. Wow, that's fun. So John's got them on right now. He's listening. Are they connected? Wow. That quick? And I gotta try the noise canceling.
Listen to those.
He doesn't even want to give them up as soon as he says listen.
Yeah, I don't.
Oh, they actually sound really good.
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy. All right, noise canceling. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
No, I can't hear you. It's weird. I feel like I'm in that room.
Yeah.
That's here. The noise canceling room. Have you guys ever seen a noise canceling room? Which is where we're at now. We're inside the anechoic chamber at Audio-Technica. And you can hear
Nothing.
You can hear nothing. Let me show you what this looks like. This is where they test all the equipment to get accurate measurements, right?
Yes. A lot of microphone testing goes on in here.
But when you're in here, it's a weird feeling. And what's even weirder is if the lights are off, which we're not going to do today.
And if you pop bubble wrap, it sounds really cool. I don't know if the camera does it justice.
So if you've never been in one of these, like this is what it looks like, how it feels.
So basically the way this room is constructed, it's inside of its own steel frame, and it's elevated off of the ground on rubber suspension, so no vibration transfers through the room. We are about 3 feet off of the floor. There is the same dampening materials you see on the wall itself are actually underneath our feet. So 360 degrees of dampening. It's very strange. I don't know if the video does it justice, but when you're inside of here, there is no ambient noise. It almost sounds like somebody flipped the light switch off to your hearing.
Like noise canceling.
Yeah, like a
Like
noise canceling.
even when
but
talking.
yes, it's very strange.
That padding goes all the way underneath, and all the way around this entire room. It's really wild. This is the door. Look at the size, how thick that is. Oh no. So there's 3 doors. You have the thick door that we just looked at. Then you have this like steel door.
It's a solid.
But then you have the bank vault door, where it's almost like a freezer how this is built. A giant enclosed box. How much are they?
$99.
What?
I'm not joking.
Oh, okay.
Pricing on the LP70X is $199. Pricing on the Bluetooth version is $249.
Oh, that's not bad. An extra $50. You get the Bluetooth. I'm down with that. So you can get the turntable and the headphones wherever I have those. What, $350? It's a hi-fi system under $400. You can buy vinyl and still be under $400. You can get 1 album.
Depending on the album.
I guess you got a point there. You're not getting that Slim Shady LP that we tried out last night. No, definitely not.
But you can get this Brother Bird album another year.
Oh yeah, look at that. There it
fantastic.
is. That's what we were listening to through the headphones. So I hope this video helped you in learning about what I think is probably the best new entry-level turntable on the market. And I know what you're saying, you love Audio-Technica, and yes, I do. But a lot of the other turntables out there under $250 are not going to give you the options that this one does. Fully automatic. The interchangeable stylus is big. I don't know that you can find that anywhere for that price. So hope this helps. If you got more questions, put them in the comments. But for today, that's all I got. Right, John?
That's right. Thanks for coming.
Oh yeah, it is. This is a look inside the listening room at Audio-Technica's headquarters in Ohio. It's the only room I'm allowed to film in.